Okay, hi guys, how are you doing today? So today vlog is Six Flag and Joshua's birthday today, so we're going to celebrate. It's a family trip, so we are going on a trip to rocket ship. So guys, just follow us and we'll be having a good time today. It's gonna be hurricane what? Hurricane Harbor. So that's what we're doing today, all right? So let's go guys, let's go. We're at the Six Flag Harbor, Hurricane Harbor. So guys, I want you all to travel with us on the vlog. We're gonna have a wonderful time at the water park and I want you all to enjoy with us, okay? This is my son's birthday, Josh! Running, Josh, running! Guys, if I'm not so cute like this, or not say nothing. Look, I'm cute, look, I'm nice. We're so blessed. And listen, guys, it is an honor to know that we're a family that is here celebrating Josh's birthday. Woo! So, guys, travel with us. And I know you will enjoy today. Hey guys, we're still back here at the check-in points and I'm just finding out that I can take chairs in. So you guys who are traveling to Six Flags, you're not going to be able to take your chairs in. And if you have your selfie, we do your vlogging and all of that, it's a no-no. You can't take that in as well. Well, this was my first time, you know, and based on certain circumstances, then, you know, I was like, what? But anyway, guys, it is what it is. We have to abide by the rules and the regulations. Okay, so continue, guys. We have to just use with Anne. So if Anne get tired, you don't get enough footage, at least I get something from the birthday vlog. Josh, we're celebrating Josh. vloggers, family. We'll take some nice picture over there, and honestly, you guys are gonna love it. So the boys are changing because we come to Waterpark. So we are giving a whole footage, right? And I know you guys going to love it. But guess what now? Now like to you, I look over my head a while ago and guess what I say? Island Temptation. I'm gonna know them have my pina colada, so today I got nice. My drink. So it's not Temptations over there. They don't have my drink. They don't have the drink that I want, and you guys know that I like my pina colada. I wonder God heaven. Me come and see Island Temptations. Better. Don't tempt the Lord thy God. Right? So that served me right. But guess what? All who don't like and the bag me sure now me end up to be excited. But walk around this already. Forget some not change it. But guess what? The bag there, and it has to have like the water, the little chips and little snack. You can't come to Waterpark and have a little snack. But guys, you got no see Aldi's in the bike. Look. Me I promote Aldi's as Six Flag. Think nice, right? You know, have a little beach bag, but yeah, we shop at Aldi's. Yeah. Love you guys. Okay, guys, I change. You probably don't wonder why we have an umbrella. Well, guys, you never know. Rihanna, so you have to check with all the equipment. Let's go. It's the laziest river ever. Laziest. It's not like I thought it was more than that. Yeah, I can't understand. Laziest river man. What lazy river man? Huh? Guys, we're gonna try all the slides. I'm gonna put fear away, okay? So, guys, don't laugh. But I'm just gonna try something unusual today. It's not my birthday, but we're celebrating, and why not? Why not? Where's Josh? We're doing an adventure. Jeremiah having his own time. You know, so I feel hungry. On the top, I feel hungry. Because we're supposed all the food court there. I'm passing all the food court and I'm seeing all the food. I'm hungry. I'm gonna get some food. Into the lazy river. Honestly, I'm gonna come out tired. I'm going very energetic. Come out tired. No wonder. It's a lazy river, but it's more than lazy. I'm not telling you like. It's the laziest of the laziest. Laziest of the laziest. But anyway, we enjoy ourselves. No, we enjoy ourselves. We're outside. Jesus loves you. All right. I see that on your shirt, Josh. This is all that. So never all that. I'm not telling no lie. No word. Thing we could get. Not now. In our people. But me have to just give God thanks. You understand me? We finished. The vlog is over. The evening is over. Seems as if we're gonna get a whole lot of rain. But we did a water park, so yeah, if the rainfall was still good. Same water. Guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And Josh, he did enjoy his birthday. I'm like, Josh and Daddy up on the set. Thing normal, make them so again. You know the vlogging. Josh, you follow the boat. I'm a Jackie face, a Joshy face. A Jackie face. Normal junior, normal junior, normal senior, normal junior, normal. I'm gonna drink not yet, you know. So guys, thank you so much. It was a family trip, family fun day. Right now, them gonna look some water because we're thirsty. And this a little cup here we get a drink. Now if you come on this whole entirely trip, minimum wage cup. I want to afford. But anyway, I still give God thanks. Never saw it kind of dry. Anyway, I love you guys. Mwah.
I thank you for spending my birthday with me. I'm heading home now. Happy birthday to you.